Hi there, this is our 8th video of the series for designing non-circular convex gears. In this video we are introducing the eccentric gears. Here both centroids of the gears of the gear set are identical, which are circles, but the center of the rotation is not the geometrical center of the circle. Designing the eccentric gears is very easy. Just choose the eccentricity value, which mustn't be big, and the gears will mesh well. The center distance is same diameter of the circles, and the speed ratio of the eccentric gears has one lobe. That means there are one increment and one decrement for one rotation of the gear set. Let's check the MATLAB code software for this type of non-circular gears. First of all, we need to enter the needed inputs, the radius of the gear R and the eccentricity value E, which are essential for designing the centroid, in addition to the module M and pressure angle phi, which are essential for designing the teeth profiles. The MATLAB code software will correct the radius R and calculate the number of teeth, which must be integer number. The second step is the generation of the teeth profile for each tooth and save the coordinates of each tooth into text files, wherein all the teeth here will be identical as a circular gear. To this end, we can import the coordinates into SolidWorks, generate the 3D model, and assemble the gear set to test the meshing in the motion study. Also, the experimental test on the test rig will give us physical sense about the quality of the meshing, which is obviously good enough.